is Sean C. Bird, and I'm the Associate Dean of University Libraries and the Center for Student Success and Retention here at Washburn University. I had the luxury of working with 10 faculty librarians and 20 faculty and staff here in the libraries and the Center for Student Success with the singular mission of helping students become successful in their academic endeavors here at Washburn University and as they transition out into the community of Topeka and the greater Washburn community of learning.